Staying with the Tourism Office, some of the Tourism Office staff have been made redundant a week before Christmas. The news was not received well as staff contemplate a festive season without jobs. But according to the Minister of Tourism, Premier Toke Tahalangi, the news was also not taken lightly by government.
I'm disappointed with the board's decision, because it was a board decision, as I understand it. You can't do anything without board's sanction and authority, because that's what the board is supposed to do. But at the same time, my job now is not to focus on that, but is to focus on making sure that these people are given opportunities outside of the tourism area that they've been working in. I pledged, and this government has pledged, that in fact we're not going to sack anybody. And that's going to be held true in this particular case. So we're going to sit down and talk to them and look at alternatives for them in the public service.
BCN News were unable to contact the New Tourism Authority Board for comments.